When a solid gets warm enough, it melts. To explain what's happening, imagine you can see how the particles in a solid are arranged. They're in a fixed framework, vibrating but not straying far from their main position. When energy is supplied, the particles vibrate more violently and become free to move. The solid changes into a liquid. Melting involves a transfer of energy. This can be illustrated by putting an ice cube in a sealed container, leaving another one empty. The air on the left is at 25.5 degrees Celsius. As the ice melts, it takes energy from the surroundings. The temperature of the air in the right-hand container has fallen by about 3 degrees. Energy is also needed to change a liquid to a gas. So, what's happening to the particles this time? In a liquid, the particles are free to move around. Heating causes them to move around more quickly. Those which have enough energy escape from the liquid, forming a gas. This is evaporation. Ether evaporates at room temperature. It's taking energy from the surroundings and disappears in less than 5 minutes.